Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I know a lot of you have tried Appa's recipes on Belacan chicken before, and it's very famous outside. Suddenly, recently, Appa have this idea on using the same method, but using pork belly instead. So Belacan pork belly. So what I have today is some thinly sliced pork belly here, probably about 250 grams. Most important thing to prep your pork belly, besides slicing it thinly, it is to remove the skin. Yeah, if you don't remove the skin, it will be very chewy. Yeah. So then after that, we need some egg, fine salt, cornstarch, white pepper. For those who have my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, recently Appa's chicken stock powder lab test finally came back. The lab test actually says it can last for 1 year, not 6 months. Yeah. Initially, we only put 6 months just in case, but after the lab test of 1 year, it says my chicken powder can last for 1 whole year, no problem. Then, of course, we have the serbot belacan, yeah, the toasted belacan powder. Then we have the some fine sugar to balance the flavor. Then oyster sauce. I'm using fish sauce to replace soya sauce because I don't want my pork belly to be too dark. Then Shaoxing wine to remove the gaminess. This dish is really simple but very, very yummy. Basically, you just marinate it and then fry. That's it. Done. Of course, you need to slice the meat. So, let me start with putting some Shaoxing wine. Some premium fish sauce. Some oyster sauce for enhanced umami flavor, not too much. Of course, our main ingredient today, toasted belacan powder, about 1 teaspoon. Oh, very fragrant. For those who have my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any envied Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia, put in a bit. Few dashes of white pepper. A little bit of fine salt, not too much, because belacan powder, everything is very salty. And you do want to balance it with some fine sugar. Let's mix everything up together first. Give it some egg. Last but not least, you want to give it a bit more crust, cornstarch. Done. Now you can actually send this to deep fry. All right, prepare a wok or a deeper pan. I'm using some palm cooking oil. Not all oil is suitable for deep frying. Yeah, you need an oil which can withstand high heat and also very stable. Palm cooking oil is one of it. And we're going to raise the heat until approximately, I would say, between 130 to 140 degrees Celsius. And that is about medium heated oil. Right, once you get the temperature you are looking for, then we can slowly put in the pork belly. So we use medium heater oil to slowly deep fry for probably about 5 minutes, plus minus, yeah. Don't use too high heat. This is coming to about 2 minutes plus. It is faster than I thought, so maybe about 3-4 minutes. This is coming to approximately 3-4 minutes. I think good enough lah. Good enough. Once the color is even, then okay already. So I prepare some oil absorbing paper at the side, and then I'm going to bring this over, put it on top of the oil absorbing paper. I'm actually using kitchen towel lah. Look at how beautiful it is. Simple, right? Right, so here's my very simple Belacan fried pork tonight for dinner. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.